in today's trading session then. Ashesha is joining us with all the stocks you need to keep on your radar. Ashesha, take us through that.
Well, yes, let's start with the defense sector, and Mazda Dock in particular will be in focus today. This because company has given an important clarification to the exchanges. Remember, this has been the buzz for the stock for the last several months, and the company now says that negotiations with the Indian Navy with respect to submarine project P75 have now begun. Remember, last time the company has said that no clarification or no communication has been done with Indian Navy, and hence this is an important clarification to the exchanges. The stock can focus on the back of that. Jupiter Wagon on the back of some new order wins that have come through. In fact, the company says that they've won orders worth about 113 crores. This is for bogies from Ministry of Railways, so keep an eye out on this counter as well. Meanwhile, Economic Times has reported, citing sources, that tweak in rules could actually stall 72,000 crore of investments in solar, and on the back of that, the entire ecosystem will be in focus today. The stocks, the likes of Vari, Vikram Solar, Premium Energies will all be in focus on the back of this negative news flow coming in for these stocks. Meanwhile, Shyam Metallics on the back of some expansion plans where the company says that they are looking to enter into crash barrier manufacturing. This will be to support road and rail safety. And the company also says that they are eyeing market share of about 8 to 10% in FY26. So some expansion plans coming their way, and Shyam Metallics in focus on the back of this.
All right, thanks Ashesha for taking us through that list. But Sharad, let me come to you as well. Which are the stocks that you are tracking today?
From the mid-cap space, Tega Industries is in focus, and a very large acquisition has been reported by the company, and this acquisition is almost $1.5 billion. The company will be acquiring Molycorp, which is the world's largest grinding media supplier, and they will be acquiring with Apollo Funds. Company will have 77% stake, while Apollo Funds will have almost 23%. The deal itself, the valuation coming at only 8.6 times its FY26 EBITDA levels, which is at a very steep discount when compared to what Tega Industries is trading at. The funding, of course, would be coming in via debt and almost a 2,200 crore equity raise, and this could be via QIP preferential, and also promoter participation would be there. So interesting development for Tega Industries. Also, Dr. Reddy's Labs, slight positive news flow expected, as the company will be acquiring Stugeron for almost $50.5 million, and this will give access to 18 markets in Asia Pacific and Europe, Middle East and African markets, and this will also strengthen the central nervous system portfolio for Dr. Reddy's. The shipping corporation, the company will be taking a physical delivery of a second-hand, very large gas carriers. It augurs well for the stock, while RVNL also received a Western Railway project and was the L1 bidder for roughly 170 crores worth of order. We might see the railway stocks buzzing in trade as well. And also from the pharma space, another important news flow coming in is Biocon has inaugurated its first manufacturing facility in US, and it is an oral solid dosage facility.
Well, moving on then, we spoke to Al